of what you're saying, as you can figure out from the music behind me, the celebrations are in full swing as we speak. A huge number of people have just walked in for the 8 o'clock show, and we're expecting some more people to come out. There you have the celebrations after 2 shows of Kabali. Let's hear from some of the people who are still waiting here. They have their tickets, but they've come in early here. They've been here for several hours so that they can get a feel of the celebrations before they actually go in. What have you heard so far? What is the review so far?
So far, everyone is saying is the movie is gonna be a blockbuster movie. Absolutely, it's gonna be a world record for this year. No one can beat the Kabali record.
Where's your ticket? Where's your ticket?
Yeah, I got the special ticket of 8 o'clock, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. I am waiting for my friends. Totally 7 people are going.
Some more youngsters here, several of them in fact just went in. They have been here since 2 a.m. despite getting tickets for the 8 o'clock show, just to be here to get a sense of things, despite requests from several organizations not to go in with the typical Pala Abhishekam, which is the milk Abhishekam. There were several such sessions here right now. What did you hear? How was the movie?
No, still I didn't watch the movie. I have a second ticket of next show also. Going to watch continuously on 4 times. Same movie. Kabali is going to rock the day.
There you are. That's the popular sentiment here. Of course, most of them haven't yet gotten to go in and see. But still, the euphoria is so high that there are hundreds of people outside the theatre as we speak, just here to get a feel of things. Also, there are over 200 Japanese tourists who've come here specially to Chennai just to watch Kabali. This is a tradition that they have been following for several years now. For each of Rajinikanth's releases, they actually fly down here all the way from Japan to get a feel of watching a Rajinikanth movie in Chennai. Kashi, where I am right now, is one of the theatres where which is a hardcore fan base of Rajinikanth, and what you see on your screen has been on since 2 a.m. in the morning.
All right, Pooja and Vijay reporting from Chennai on the Kabali fever, the fan mania in fact reaching an absolute fever pitch, to say the least. Many thanks for giving us the latest. All right, you're looking at those visuals of the fan frenzy coming to you from Chennai. Of course, people are in a festive mood at this point in time. The next show is at 12 in one of the iconic Albert halls, but some of the halls already screening the movie. People are, of course, enjoying the moment.
Hey, what is it like experiencing your first time experiencing Rajinikanth release?
Yeah, it's my first time and I can't just put it in words because it's more than what words can express. And it's my first time watching this movie, first ever, and I just want to enjoy it.
Absolutely, not just in Chennai, several IT companies and several startups in Bangalore as well have declared a holiday today. In view of how many applications for leave have come in, they've decided to voluntarily give most of their employees a day off. And of course, students like these that I have with me, engineering students who've taken off from their college, come here. They have tickets for the 11 o'clock show, but they've been here for several hours now just to soak in the atmosphere. Let's hear from them. What do you hear so far? How is the movie looking?
The movie is very good. I heard the review, but we are awaiting eagerly for watch the movie at 11 a.m.
You've taken off from college just to watch the movie. How difficult was it to get the ticket?
Yeah, it was very difficult. We are strangely waiting for one month for getting a ticket. I'm not going to get it. My friend only helped us to get the ticket. He only cut the class and stayed and get the ticket for us. He's such a great man.
What's your message to Talaiva today?
Well, we want him to act more movies, and we are expecting still 50 or 60 movies from
50 odd movies. That's what the fans of Rajinikanth here want. Of course, there have been several publicity stunts, but the man in the middle of it all has been missing. He is not even in Chennai today. He's traveling, and fans want a glimpse of him. We're given to understand that some family members of Rajnikant will be visiting theatres, Kasi perhaps, or even Albert Theatre here in Chennai, and most of the fans want to get just a glimpse of at least some family member of Rajnikant. Of course, that Air Asia flight that has a special offer, flying in fans from Bangalore, taking them to Satyam Theatre here in Chennai, flying them back. Several such tie-ups have been there with Kabali. But the fans, as far as the fans are concerned, it's only about one man. From 2 a.m. onwards, hundreds of them have lined up this particular road. We had several people who have come down from Japan. For most of them, it's a ritual. They've been coming here for the past 10 years. Ahead of every Rajnikant release, they come here to watch the movie in Chennai, in Kasi Theatre, which is the heart of the Rajnikant mania ahead of any movie release. So clearly the momentum is still building up. They've been here for at least 8 to 10 hours now, but the energy levels are clearly not dipping. Right now, there are fewer people here on the street because most of them just went in for a show at around 11 o'clock. We're expecting hundreds of them to walk out, and every 5 minutes, I can tell you, I hear a loud cheer coming in from inside the theatre